All right, good morning. This is Jared with Around the Bend Pressure Washing. Doing work this morning in Monticello, just outside of Tallahassee, Florida. We got that we're doing this morning. The customer actually only wants just this front side done. Fairly low roof, has gutters, so should be able to shoot this from the ground, no problem. Primarily just has spots that are black, so I'll start on one end and just work my way across. I think she has an event coming up, so we'll come down to this end. I think these sidewalks are all freshly painted, so have to make sure take some extra care with those. On this end only have the one gutter, so what I've done is actually create essentially a runner that'll go out in the field. I'll make sure I pre-wet all of that down. Want to make sure mindful of plant and property protection, so we'll go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so all finished up with the roof. Everything turned out nice. Also hit that gutter for her as well. Overall looks pretty good. Had a few problem spots, but overall everything came out pretty good. So I think she'll definitely like it. Unfortunately, it's just the one side, so tomorrow coming back, actually going to do some work for I believe it's her sister's house. It's a partial driveway and then some cobwebs, so gotta go do a gutter job and get some more chemical. So still got a few hours left today, so we'll see where we end up. All right guys, Jared with Around the Bend Pressure Washing, down in Tallahassee. Got a gutter cleaning. Go up and take a look. This one is packed. I don't know if I've seen a gutter this full, so definitely gonna take some time, but we'll get it knocked out. I'll try and give some updates as I go, but gonna try and stay after this one, so we'll see how it turns out.